Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the size and transparency of your keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So swipe up, go to your settings, go all the way down to general management, tap on that, then click in the Samsung keyboard settings. From here, scroll down to where you will find the option that says size and transparency. So tap on that. From here you will see the description. Basically, you can drag the handles on the sides of the keyboard to adjust its size, or even move keyboard by dragging the button in the center. So how does it work? You can simply move the size as it says. You can do that. You can also move it up or down to move the keyboard where you want it. Once you finish, just simply tap on done. Or if you don't like it at some point and you mess up, you can always reset it. Right, but that's all. You can easily go ahead and change the size and transparency of your keyboard. Very easy and very simple, guys.